How do you come up with hooks? Let's find out in day number 18. What's up, everybody? I am Jake, and welcome back to the channel. It is day number 18 in the ClickFunnels One Funnel Away Challenge. So let's just jump in there. Alright, we're just going to start here on Russell's video. Essentially what he is saying is you're going to pull your hooks out of your story and out of your products. You told your origin story yesterday. By the way, if you have not seen those videos or seen the video from yesterday at the very least, click the cards up above. I'm going to have it linked there. I'm also going to have the playlist linked as well. So check that out if you haven't caught up on all the days previous. There's like 17 or 18 videos in there already. Go check those out, and don't forget to subscribe. We're going to keep posting every day during this challenge. Anyways, back into Russell's video. You're going to be pulling your hooks out. By the way, he doesn't really explain what a hook is in this video. That comes next. It was kind of weird. Luckily, I know what a hook is. So oh well. Anyways, luckily, I know what a hook is, so no problems there. He's saying pull your hooks out of your origin story, which was mentioned in the day before. We produced the origin story. That's how you got started in whatever your field you're in. So you're going to pull your hooks out of there. Every little piece of your story should have at least one or two hooks in it that you can use. And then you're going to pull a whole bunch of hooks out of your products. And you're going to have all these hooks, and you're going to be using them to kind of tease people, throwing them all over your social media, tease people into getting excited, and you're really just trying to keep them interested, really thinking about you until you get this funnel set up. Even if you don't have the funnel set up, you're not ready to sell anything, and maybe you don't even have the full plan together, you still want to be teasing them with these hooks. That way they're still thinking about you. They're probably talking about you at this point, and you're keeping them at yourself at the top of their mind. So when you do get your funnel ready, you push it out to them. You say, hey, this is my thing. Go check it out. Everyone's already got that interest in the back of their mind, and they all click and head into your funnel. Now, let's move on to Steven's coaching call, where he actually describes what a hook is. I think they should have switched these, by the way. That's just my opinion. Now, Steven Larson described a hook as pretty much anything that grabs your attention. He did also mention his personal definition is a micro story that you do not resolve. The idea is to give them enough information to be interesting and to be like, oh, okay, and then just leave them on a cliffhanger. Like, we don't get that enough from Hollywood. But, I mean, he's not wrong. It does work. It does work. He told a story in the video like 10 minutes in and didn't tell us the end of the story until the end of the video. And I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to know what the freaking thing was the entire time I was listening to the video. So I stayed all the way to I would have stayed to the end of the video anyways, but like, I wanted to know what the heck his dad said. I mean, but yeah, he's really good at doing that. But yeah, that's pretty much what a hook is. It's just a micro story that you do not resolve, and it's something that it will grab the attention of basically anyone that's interested in something that you would provide. He did also mention to pull out bits and pieces from your story. He didn't mention the products, but I can see where Russell was going with that. Kind of tease the products and the bonuses and stuff like that. Makes sense. He did say find as many as possible, the more the merrier, with a minimum of 10. Minimum of 10. Now, that being said, in the workbook, they have you looking at, I think the minimum is like 20 or something. A lot more. But anyways, he's saying the minimum of 10, and you're going to keep adding hooks as you go, testing them, throwing them out, seeing who you can, seeing all the fish you can gather. And then eventually, after you get your funnel launched, you're going to use those same hooks to advertise with and see which ones work. Cut out the ones that don't, keep the ones that do, and use those as your pillars to pull people in. Jim Edwards down here, he's basically just reiterating that a hook is anything that stops somebody. Somebody that's scrolling down on Facebook, stops there and grabs their attention, makes them watch a video or something like that. But yeah, that was his quick definition of it, and then he moved on to saying there are two types of hooks. There is a question, and then there is the headline. That being said, he did mention that he's not going to tell us what the headline, or give us examples of headlines until tomorrow. So stick around for that, and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will be posting the update on that tomorrow. Now, he did provide a, you can see it here in the video, question, hooks, formulas. So we're going to jump over to that. Boom. 10 great question hooks and formulas. There's no and there. I don't know why I said that. At the very least, this whole video making thing is actually kind of fun. All right, let's read the questions though. Formula number 1. Are you worried about bad thing? Announcer voice, love that. Example. Are you worried about your home stagnating on the market for months or even years? I wish I had this memorized that way I could look at you while I'm saying it. It'd be so much funner. All right, formula number 2. Are you sick of bad thing? Example. Are you sick of 0 online sales? That's actually a really good one. That'd be great for the e-com market, by the way. Formula number 3. Are you okay with bad thing? Example. Are you okay with your wife leaving you for another man? I'm pretty sure that one would get you shut down on Facebook, but I could be wrong. I'm not a Facebook expert, but I can imagine that would get you shut down. All right, formula number 4. Is bad thing making you crazy? Example. Is the high cost of groceries making you crazy? I like that one. Formula number 5. Is bad thing costing you money as a blank? That one's actually a lot harder to say. Example. Is employee theft and incompetence costing you money as an entrepreneur? Formula number 6. Are you a blank who is fed up with bad thing? Example. Are you a realtor who is fed up with the high cost of advertising? By the way, I think everyone's fed up with the high cost of advertising. But hey, that's just my opinion. All right, formula number 7. Sick and tired of not having any good thing? Example. Sick and tired of not having any free time with your family? I messed that one up so hard. Yeah, but that like covers literally everyone that works a job. So, formula number 8. Are you getting enough good thing? Not possible. Example. Are you getting enough quality time off with your family? Again, covers everyone. Use the same example twice in a row. Come on, champ. Formula number 9. Are you ready to give up on good thing? Example. Are you ready to give up on your marriage? Formula number 10. Are you a blank who wants more good thing? This is so stupid. Example. Are you a struggling investor who wants more access to good deals? That one's stupid. I really hate that one, by the way. Alright, but yeah, that's basically it. Yep, that's all of it. That's all he provides. That's the question hook formulas PDF, and the only other thing that is provided in here is in the worksheet, which I cannot show you, obviously, for copyright reasons. And there are some links in there that basically just point you to, boom, marketingsecrets.com. He's just pointing you towards the podcast episodes that have to do with hooks. So if you're interested in any of that, just head to marketingsecrets.com. Click on podcasts, and then click on marketing secrets here. That's all it is. Good to go from there. Download the app, as it says. But hey, that's day number 18, all about hooks. We got you covered here. Good to go. So don't forget to like the video. Can't talk. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you all tomorrow. See ya. Thank you for watching.